I think one of the things I love from our training actually is the mental models. And perhaps when we land on a website, you know, that we haven't been to before for the first time, we do have a little mental model checklist of things that look familiar. You always talk about the restaurant example, don't you? Do you want to explain that quickly? I think it's fascinating.
Yeah. So we have mental models that in how we use the world around us. And so when you go to a restaurant, you have a picture in your mind of, you know, you wait to be seated, and then you might sit down and you order your drinks first, and then you order your starter, and then you might order your main, but then you get all of those things in order, and then you order your dessert at the end. And so there's a whole kind of list of things that happen, rules, if you like, of what we expect. But no one ever sat down and taught us how a restaurant works. So we use our previous experience, we build up an understanding of how things operate. And when we go into a new environment, so, you know, a good example would be a harvester, where you've got the salad bar and you go up and help yourself, or you've got a sushi bar where it comes out on a conveyor belt. You know, when things break the mental model, it's not like it can't be done, but it can be a bit jarring. It can be like, well, what do I do? I'm not quite sure this is what I had in mind. And so when in the context of a landing page, it's really important that they see the familiar e-commerce things, you know, the basket in the top right, or it needs to feel like, okay, I'm in the right place. This doesn't feel like it's going to take a lot of mental effort, and I kind of get where I need to go first because it's based on my other experience.